What's up, folks? Heinz Morning Update, April 28th, 8:34. All the PCE numbers are in, personal income, all that stuff. Kind of a mixed bag, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing crazy. Futures haven't moved that much, so about a 24-point overnight range. Um, Yesterday was interesting. You had an open here down at 85 on the overnight, dipped down to 80, and then just squeezed all the way up. We do have singles down to about 20, so that would be a level I'd watch. And then we have that 10 area. So really, we could do that 16, 10 would be an area of support I'd be watching. 91 is a prior low, and then 85. I don't know if we're going to get down there. If we do get back up above this 55 level, I think we can start seeing rippy rip into all these levels up here. Basically up to 180 there's just a ton of sticking points there, and possibly a shot at 4,200. But as of now, we're lower. Amazon came out yesterday, popped up high, and then dropped down. So now it's going to start the day as of now cash lower. So we will see how that transpires. Here's your daily, right back to the 41.55. So I got POC's at 43 now, or 53, excuse me. But again, going nowhere fast. So here's the daily. So I mean, we're right in line. You had a dip, we came back. We haven't exceeded that. We haven't dropped down. They saved the 50-day moving average. I don't know. I guess it's kind of a weird price structure right now. I don't have a lot of feel. 41.35 is your pivot, 41.89 and 42.20. I like these levels today, 40.50 and 40.17. So I'd keep an eye on those, especially the ones SPX ones that Joey posts. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yesterday was crazy though, so we had just a screech up. I left this cash gap just for reference. So the 43, 41, 37, 31. So we literally, if you expand on that, ticked it, So this is why I keep these, and these are why these are important. Sometimes they stop shy, sometimes they fill. And yesterday when we started growing up, it was just like, man, there's no way they don't fill that today, or yesterday, excuse me. So next one up there is 48 to 54, and then we left one yesterday from at 75 down to 55. So we will see if we, come back down on that level. I don't know. Major support in my mind is this 43, 30, 33 level, where the 50-day moving average is. And that would pretty much coincide with this 40.55 ES. Again, we'll see if we travel down or not. Euro's down. It's really consolidating right here. So I don't know if we're going to get a pop up or pop down, but this trend line's getting closer and closer. So we'll see, how this reacts today. But it looks like it's going to start to sell off here a little bit. So I don't know. Maybe a down day, maybe a CCS. We'll have to see. Come cash time, we got about an hour for that. So I don't know if really what to expect. If this is kind of a angled head and shoulders. If so, they sure saved the day there. In fact, I should probably put a trend line there. I don't know. Kind of a mixed bag. We could consolidate and come into next week. Next week looks pretty docile, and then the week of the 8th looks a little bit more interesting. So I don't know if we just continue to just sit here, basically. I mean, look at all these days that we've just kind of been in here, this range. That 41.55 is huge. It's a magnet. We've been sticking to it. So we need another move or a breakdown. But as of now, if we open right up here, I'd consider it bearish. We lose that 31, then I would definitely look at that 20 level, and then that 10, 15, 10. So we'll see what happens today. But anyway, stay safe, in and out, if you see it. And if there's nothing, it's Friday and you're up to the week. You don't have to trade. You can just kind of take the day off or do something fun, or watch for a while. It's just if there's nothing really that stands out, there's no reason to risk your money. We'll see if something good presents itself. Anyway, I'll be in the room.